All right, in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and installing EV-Base's carbon fiber covers for your mirrors, your side mirrors on the Cybertruck. Let's get started. So first, let's unbox this very light box from EV-Base. Inside, you have the actual cover itself, packaged pretty good. Looks like some adhesive strips inside. Some more tape. Pry bar. Some adhesion promoter. So like some rubbing alcohol. And the other one. So these two will be getting installed very soon. All right, first thing you're gonna do is I recommend wiping down your mirror, the back of it. It's gonna be dirty and stuff, so wipe it all down, dry it off, and then we'll go install the cover. All right, so once you wipe down the mirror itself, it does have like adhesive strips inside of here. I don't want to use those because I probably want to pull these off eventually, right? So, but we tried on the other side already. It's really easy. It basically just kind of comes down over top. Just gotta make sure that you're kind of over your lip here on both sides. Going as easy over the other side. There we go. And so here's what it looks like with the new. I wiped it down a little bit with the carbon fiber cover for the side mirrors. It fits on nice and tightly. It was a little bit snug fit, which is exactly what you want. I got her on there. She looks really good. I wiped her down a little bit. Let's go on the other side. Let's go on the driver's side. Use our code, the Tesla channel, to get 20% off these or anything else on evbase.com's website.
I'm a